morning, local news for Wednesday the 20th of September. Tom Hindmarsh from Martinboro's Dry River will be competing in Auckland today, representing the North Island, along with Sarah Addis from Trinity Hills Winery and the Tonallery de Mercury National Wine Competition, competing against the first and second place winners from the South Island. The top trainers and trainees in New Zealand's electricity and telecommunications industry have been recognised at the Connexus annual Connection Excellence Awards in Hamilton last week. The awards evening was held last Thursday and was the final event in the annual week-long showcase of the best and brightest within New Zealand's electricity supply industry. The 7 winners were chosen from 13 finalists in several categories, representing the electricity and telecommunications industry around Aotearoa. The Telecommunications Trainee of the Year runner-up was Nathan Daly from Downer in Masterton. And with daylight savings this weekend, twilight sports are almost upon us for the summer season. Football will once again take place at the Masterton Grounds with social and competitive leagues. The competition is likely to begin on the 18th of October, with the last game to be played in early December. The 7-a-side series has proved very popular over the years. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.